Health is a treasure.
We have to age healthily.
You have to keep active.
Να είσαι πολύ απεισχολημένος. Και αυτό νομίζω είναι η καλύτερη τροφή.
My name is Janie Tam. I'm over 60s of my age, yeah. I'm the mother of 3 children. 2AC Radio is a Chinese radio station. And I'm being, as my position, I'm very active with the community. So I don't really have time to think about my age, you know.
My name is Dimitra Michaels. I'm 76-year-old. Το Ελληνικό Κέντρο Προνοίας είναι ένας οργανισμός ο οποίος είναι 50 χρόνια φέτος και προσφέρει ένα μεγάλο έργο στην παροικία και είμαι πολύ τυχερή που βρίσκομαι στο Ελληνικό Κέντρο Προνοίας για πάρα πολλά χρόνια. Όταν ήμουν σε μια πιο νεαρά ηλικία, 32 ετών, έχασα το σύζυγο και έμεινα με 4 παιδιά. Τα 4 παιδιά ήταν πάρα πολύ μικρά και ασχολήθηκα πάρα πολύ και με το community και στο συνάνθρωπο. Το έργο αυτό μου έκανε πολύ μεγάλη, μου έδωσε μεγάλη δύναμη να συνεχίσω και να υπηρετώ μέχρι σήμερα.
I'm Maria Perello and I'm 77 years old. I was born in Cerami, Provincia di Enna, in Sicilia. I came to Australia in 1953. I have 2 grandchildren. One's 5 and the other one is a 3-year-old. And so one day a week, they stay with us, they have something to eat. They really like that. At my age, I'm becoming very much aware of my health because there's still things I would like to do. In terms of healthy eating, you have to be consistent, and sometimes you get very busy and you'll feed the children, but you won't feed yourself. So I think that if you don't eat well, you're missing out on the things that keeps us going.
My name is Amir Salim and my age is 82 years old. I have 4 children, 2 girls and 2 boys. I have a very good partner, my wife, and I was active long time, all my life. When I was young, I was a basketball player. I'm trying to keep myself fit, but at one stage I fall down and it was really a big hit. I went to the hospital, they checked me and they recommended to be a gym. After a couple of weeks, I feel you know, my muscle strong for that.
Health is very important in our life. I didn't really think it's so important unless one day I fell down on the street and I realized, oh, something get wrong. That's why I do go to the GP every once in a year at least. Even though you are healthy, but you don't know the development of your health, so regular checkup is very important because it can stop the things getting worse. Prevention is always good than cure. So if you really have something get wrong, then you can fix it as soon as you can and can have a good life. Yeah.
My daughters also say, Dad, we want to keep you to see your granddaughter getting married. So for that, they say, all right, I'll do my best.
I look forward to seeing the grandchildren grow. They're wonderful to be around. Yeah, that's what I look forward to.
Σε πιο προχωρημένη ηλικία και από τη δική μου, κοιτάζω να είμαι πάρα πολύ απεισχολημένη και αυτό βοηθάει πάρα πολύ. Για μένα είναι αυτό που με κρατάει πολύ δυνατή. Είναι πολύ σημαντικό. Κάτι χάπια στο σπίτι. Η αγάπη και οι δραστηριότητες. Και αυτό είναι που μου δίνει μεγάλο κουράγιο να αισθάνομαι πολύ δυνατή.